When deploying hose in high-rise buildings, firefighters have a few different options. The first option is the investigation stretch. This stretch is used when an officer has decided to lay a dry line on the floor for smells and bells types of calls. Remember, it is never appropriate to hook up to a connection on the fire floor if it is outside a protected stairwell. The investigation stretch starts by laying the 3 high-rise packs on the ground outside the standpipe connection of the protected stairwell on the floor of concern. The nozzle section should be closest to the area of concern. The firefighters then begin to unbuckle the straps on the packs and hook the couplings together. The engineer then grabs the female coupling of the last pack and begins to hook up to the standpipe valve in the stairwell. When using the investigation stretch, the officer must decide if flushing the system is needed. Generally, if conditions warrant flushing the system, strong consideration should be given to connecting to the standpipe valve on the floor below using the apartment stretch. When connecting to a standpipe valve, the use of an elbow and an inline pressure gauge is standard. 71 psi is the standard pressure for 150 feet of hose. As the engineer is making the connection to the standpipe valve, the firefighter grabs the 25-foot mark of the middle section and stretches away from the area of concern, deploying the hose. Prior to packing the hoses, make sure the hoses are marked in 2 places. The first mark will be 32 inches from the female coupling. The second mark will be at the midway point, 25 feet of the hose. You begin to fold the packs by making your first fold at the 32-inch mark and working the packs back and forth in a horseshoe motion. All 3 packs will be started with the female coupling. When finished folding the packs, attach the couplings on the same side or opposite sides depending on preference. The packs will be attached together with 4 seatbelt straps, 2 on each side. The finished pack should be compact. When placing the straps, it's okay to put them on the top. Just remember that the female coupling should be on the right side of the pack when you are positioned at the bottom. This will allow the packs to be hooked together without having to twist any of the hose.